And let's see what we got here on our gaps. Macy's, let me pull this down so you guys can see it. Macy's gapping down. Kohl's got absolutely hammered. KSS, they were down over 10% when I was looking at them when I got in this morning. Now they're down nearly 13%. So I would imagine that's going to have a bit of a ripple effect on especially your weaker retailers like Macy's. So that's down. That's the only one really down that much. We're seeing the chips coming back. QRVO put in a print up at 68. It's trading 65-ish now. We got to wait a little while. We can't really do anything with that just yet.